If you want to grow experience in the work that reconnects, if you want to develop understanding and confidence in guiding it, a good way to begin is with a group of friends and colleagues. An excellent vehicle for this is the study group. I consider the study group to be one of the great social inventions of the 20th century. Each time I have participated in one, it has been a turning point in my own life. Now, in many localities, after attending a workshop, people draw together a group of neighbors, friends, co-workers to create a study group around the book Coming Back to Life. And for each meeting, be it every week or every month, they agree to read a chapter, one of the first 5 chapters, that presents the worldview and assumptions on which the work is based. And then 1 or 2 people, in addition, prepare an interactive exercise, one of the 50 that are described in the book, for the group to do when it meets. This experience involves head, heart, body. It's very informative and very bonding. And you'll learn a lot about your own appetites and skills in leading. This series of videos has given you a pretty good idea, I think, of the work that reconnects. Here you've seen some of the key processes in the work with counsel on how to guide them. And you will find many more in the book Coming Back to Life, and some newer ones posted on my website, joannamacy.net. For this work is evolving. In this series, you have seen how I lead the work. But please know that every facilitator brings his or her own style, own appetites and experiences and skills to this work. And so will you. As you develop your own approach and style, you may well find, as I have, that the work that reconnects is one of the most rewarding things you've ever done.